Hey there, it's Fergal here, and on behalf of my business partner, Soren Constantine, we would like to say thank you and congratulations to you for picking up Pinnacle.
But before you go to the download area, there are always some people that choose to go the extra mile to make more money faster. Now, if this sounds like you, then please watch this short video to the end, as this is going to be a real game changer for you. Since I started internet marketing back in 2008, I always thought that there must be a shortcut to make all this work on autopilot and in just a few clicks. So when I finally figured out how to make this a success for me, then I began to draw up my done-for-you instant profit method that takes away all of the hard work from you as I have already done it for you. With my done-for-you system, I literally have all of the hard work done for you. All that is left for you to do is to fill in the blanks and collect your commission into your PayPal account. It truly is that easy. I have removed all of the trial and error that you would usually have to have gone through when trying to reach your online income goals. Look, let's be honest here, time is money. Do you really have the time to waste on all of the trial and error of internet marketing? Or would you like to pay just $37 for this done-for-you package and see results in the form of big commissions the very first time that you put this into action? This done-for-you package could easily sell for $147 elsewhere online, and it will do once this promotion has ended. But I'm going to take the hit on this one for you because I know just how well this is going to work for my students. For a limited time only, I will be offering my done-for-you online income package to you for just $37. With this, you will have an instant plug-and-play online income machine that will have you making big commissions faster than ever. So if you're ready to get started with this done-for-you package, then click the Buy Now button below this video now, and we will get started straight away.